If you're considering buying iMobie, there are a few things you need to know before making that purchase. In this video, we'll walk you through 7 important points that will help you decide if iMobie is the right choice for you. Stick around until the end because I've got some exclusive offers and a free trial link that you won't want to miss. So, let's dive in. First off, iMobie is a software designed to help you manage your mobile devices, and while it's a solid choice, it's crucial to compare it to its competitors to see if it truly meets your needs. If you're coming from a tool like Dr. Phone or TenorShare, you may find iMobie to be a little more user-friendly, but with a slightly less robust feature set. It's perfect for light to moderate users, but may not be the powerhouse you need for more advanced tasks. Next thing, iMobie does come with a range of features, and one of its strengths is the ability to transfer data between different devices. Whether you're switching from Android to iPhone or vice versa, iMobie can help make that process much smoother. Compared to competitors, iMobie tends to have fewer compatibility issues and provides a more streamlined experience. That said, there are still some limitations when transferring large amounts of data, which can be a deal breaker for users with a ton of files. The third thing you should know is that iMobie offers multiple tools within one package. From backing up and restoring data to recovering lost information, the software is well-rounded. While it doesn't offer as much customization as some competitors, like iTunes or Google's cloud backup options, it's more straightforward and doesn't require a steep learning curve. The layout is clean, and for most users, it gets the job done without the bloat. Moving on to the fourth thing, pricing. iMobie is priced competitively for what it offers, but it's always good to know what you're getting. Unlike some alternatives like TenorShare, which can charge a pretty penny for individual tools, iMobie bundles a lot of functionality into a more affordable package. That said, be sure to check for discounts or promotional pricing, especially if you're new to the software, because deals can change frequently. Next up, the fifth thing you need to know is customer support. This is a critical point when choosing software, especially for something as important as managing your phone's data. iMobie support is decent, but not top tier. They provide email support and a knowledge base. But if you're the type of person who needs 24/7 live chat or phone support, you might find some of their competitors like Dr. Phone offering quicker responses and more hands-on service. The sixth thing to keep in mind is the trial period. Now, you can try iMobie for free, and I strongly recommend you do that first. The free version is limited, but it gives you a good feel of the interface and functionality. Some people might find that the free version doesn't cover all the features they need, but the premium version isn't overly expensive, especially if you're getting it through a promotion or exclusive offer, which we'll talk about shortly. Finally, the seventh thing you should know is the overall user experience. iMobie is definitely easy to use, and that's one of its main selling points. The interface is intuitive, and the process of transferring or backing up data is almost effortless. However, as with any software, there are occasional bugs and glitches, especially with updates. So, while it's a solid choice for many, if you're looking for perfection or a bug-free experience, keep in mind that you might encounter some hiccups. If you're looking to try iMobie, I've got you covered. Click the first link in the description below to get the best offer and the chance to test out the software for free. You'll also get some exclusive benefits if you act now. And that's it. If you've enjoyed this review or have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment below. But remember, if you want the best deal and a free trial, hit that link in the description right now.